another change we made here, Overstock, OSTK. So I mentioned this stock last week, and uh, you should probably, if you haven't seen it, check out the site. And this is one of the core reasons we're taking this off the long bias list. Is they've done a full rebrand here, right, of the business and even the company. Like they're even putting out press releases that call the company the new Bed Bath and Beyond versus Overstock. And we think that's a mistake, right? We think buying the IP, the domain name, right, the customer list, like all that made sense, but you should have been running this business like in parallel as like another, right, another URL that shows up for customers if they're looking for these types of categories to shop in. One of the things we liked about Overstock, as being long, is like, look, this company's been operating since the 1990s and making money and growing in e-commerce, while Amazon and like some other players have been, you know, considered the dominant players in the space. This thing hasn't gone away and it's actually gotten bigger over the years and been able to make money. So now it's a little bit concerning that that entity is being completely rebranded to a business that's, has been in decline for roughly 10 years in terms of its relevance with the consumer. So I think you've kind of lost some of the downside protection that we thought you had with, the Overstock e-commerce brand and business. I maybe get like the company thinks there's a lot of incremental customers to win, and they did this update last week talking about, the customers they've added. They are winning new customers, but the margins are taking a hit to do so. So the incremental margins, incremental revenue, relative to the incremental customers does not match what we think it should be. And that's taken margins significantly into negative territory. So that you've sort of eliminated any valuation support here near term as well. So, we look at this like maybe we'd be long again at some point in the future, but you've got declining profits with negative margins, consumer slowdown risk. And now the tail setup is not kind of what we thought it was before, because there's potential that you completely destroy this business with this whole rebrand that we just don't think makes sense.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.